assignment, we are going to learn how to insert and format images. So as always, you need to make sure that you have your own Google Drawings assignment open so that you can watch this video, pause it, and complete it on your document. All right, let's begin. Step 1 says to press Control D to duplicate or copy the image of the shamrock on the left 2 times. So really, we just need to make a copy of this. So to do that, we could always do select it and go to Edit Copy, but there's a shortcut. If we select Duplicate, it makes another copy without having us to go back and do Edit Paste. So again, that is Edit Duplicate, or we can simply hit Control D. And then I am moving them both onto the canvas. Go ahead and do this step on your own. All right, step 2 says to resize both images and move both images to the center of the canvas. All right, so to do that, I am going to select both of them. So I'm just going to click and drag so that I get a box over both my shamrocks. To resize them, I'm just going to drag the handle over here. And then to center, I'm going to move the 2 boxes until I get a red line in the center, and that means that my shamrocks are now centered. Go ahead and do this on your own document. All right, step 3 says to make the first image 50% transparent. All right, so first, since we need to select the image that we want the computer to change, so I'm going to go ahead and select my first shamrock. When I select it, you'll notice that the format options appeared. So I'm going to click that, and I need to make the first image 50% transparent. All right, so that would be under, well, let's check them out. It's not size and rotation, so I'm going to close that one. It's not position. It's not recolor. It's adjustment. So do you see this word transparency? So I need to move the little blue slider until I see the number 50. Oops, 50, right there. And do you see how it turned that shamrock a lighter shade of green and really the whole thing a lighter shade? All right, go ahead and do this on your own. Remember, it's format options. If you don't remember that it's under adjustments, you can click each box until you see transparency. All right, step 4 says to crop the second image so that half of it is missing. All right, so I am going to select that one. Now, when you crop something, you can go to Tools. Oops. Hold on a second. All right, I selected it. Now, the easiest way is to double click it so you get this box that appears around it. And then you can also use this crop image shortcut. All right. So I am going to double click, oops, so that I get the black box around it. And I'm going to use this slider right here. And 50% is half. So I'm going to crop half. Oops. Hold on. That's not right. There we go. And you see how it shows that I have half of my shamrock right there and the other half is transparent? When you click off of that, the other half goes away. Once again, I double clicked on that image until I got that black box. And then you have to slide and make sure your cursor is on the black rectangle and then slide that halfway across your shamrock. All right, step 5 says to insert a picture of a hedgehog by going to Insert Image, Image from Web. All right, so we are going to go to Insert, Image, search the web, and we want to search for the word hedgehog. So I am going to, whoops, that happens to you. We go back to Insert, Image, search web. All right. I'm going to type in the word hedgehog and it pops up for me. All right, let's see. I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to go to Insert. And there he is. All right, go ahead and insert an image of a hedgehog onto your screen. All right, so step 6 says to move the hedgehog to a corner where you have room. So I'm first going to resize him and move him down here. Now we need to add a shadow to our hedgehog. So I'm going to go to Format Options. I am going to select Drop Shadow. And you see how it puts a shadow underneath him? All right, now I need to add a reflection. So I'm going to check my reflection. And if you look down here, you will see that you can see the hedgehog's reflection. Now I need to recolor the image purple. Where do you think I'm going to look for that? That's right, under Recolor. And when I select Recolor, I am going to select purple. Now, the next one should be a review because we need to make the image 50% transparent. Do you remember where we found transparent? That's right, it's adjustments and transparency. So we again need to move our blue slider until we reach 50%. Go ahead and do steps 6A, B, C, and D, and come back and I'll show you how to do step E. All right, so I'm going to close my format options so that I just see my hedgehog here. And now step E says to link the image to this website. So I am going to select this website and do a Control C or a copy, or you can come up here to go to Edit and Copy. Then I'm going to put my cursor on the hedgehog. I am going to right click and I am going to, oops, can I move this box up? Well, let me see all of my options. All right, we can do this another way. Click on your hedgehog, go to Insert and Link. Now, you could also find the shortcut to that over here. It looks like a little chain. So when you select that, this box pops up and we can paste that hedgehog website right here by doing a Control V or an Edit Paste. Okay, so I'm going to select him, find my link box, Control V, and don't forget to click on Apply. All right, so once again, I selected my hedgehog. I went up here to link, or you can do Insert, Link, and then paste the website onto there. And that just means that if you were to make a project or a presentation and you wanted somebody to go to a certain website to find out about hedgehogs, all they would have to do would be to click your hedgehog, and then they would be able to go directly to the Hedgehog Care website. All right, so don't forget, when you've linked to this website, go ahead and submit your work in Google Classroom.